Sago palms grow mainly in Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, Malaysia and some parts of Southeast Asia. Villagers split open the thick trunk to reveal the soft, starchy pith inside. They use special tools to scrape out the pith and pound it into fine cores. The mixture is kneaded thoroughly to release the starch, which is then filtered through a cloth to remove coarse fibers. The cloudy water, rich in starch, is left to settle. Over time, the starch sinks to the bottom, forming a thick layer that is dried under the sun and shaped into a huge clump. Villagers start a fire and roast the sago over the open flame, following a traditional method that brings the starch to a ready-to-eat form. This traditional method has been used for generations to enhance flavor while preserving nutrients, making it both healthy and culturally rich. Sago is a primary source of carbohydrates, which is a good source of energy and is commonly used as a staple food in many traditional communities.